Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm gonna unbox this. My son got a gift card from Amazon, and then either the sunglasses or the necklace chain. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. The box it seems like sunglasses, but let's see. Oh, this is a chain. It's a sterling silver necklace, 20-inch. That's the barcode number. It's by Sack Silver. And then there is this Sojos. I'm not sure what brand is this. Made in China, right here. So I guess both of them came in at the same time. And then it says a secret in your eyes. And it says Sojos Vision Silver. So it comes with this nice microfiber cleaning cloth. Come with this, I'm not sure what's this gift card or what is it, discount card, and then there's a claim code that you need to scratch it off. So come with this Sojos secret in your eyes, Sojo Vision. I think he said something about it's like $10 or something like that. Let's see. Wow, come with their own cleaning cloth. That is pretty awesome. Let's take this one out, see how big the cleaning cloth is. So this is a pretty big size cleaning cloth to clean your lens. And then you have a Sojo's name on there, their brand. So this is the silver. It says 30-day guarantee. Contact us by service at sojovision.com for any quality problem. We are responsible for all our products. And then there's a quality control number 66. Wow, they package pretty well. I will give them like a 10 out of 10. And then they have this nice plastic that's protecting from folding it and when you fold two arms, you might get scratches, so it's prevent from getting scratched, which is pretty awesome. And then this is the mirror lens. This is almost like a Ray-Ban round. So it's weird. They got their own Sojo on the inner lens right here, their brand. So instead of outside, they put it on the inner lens. And then they have their own 100% UV protection label right there, Sojo Vision. And then this is a polarized tester. Let me see. Wow, look at that. I didn't know this is a polarized lens. That's cool. So as you can see right now, it's you see like just like a silver. So when you put this polarized lens over it, you can see it says Sojos. There you go, you see it? There's a whole bunch of reflections, so because the polarized is pretty dark. There you go. I had to put in like a certain angle for you guys to see, or turn it. Wow. For $10, that's an awesome deal. Can't complain. And then this is the other one right here. This is the necklace. You have this hook right here to unhook it. This is a spring loaded. I think the chain will cost more money or something, because they have $25 on each car, so I'm not sure how much is chain, but anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button and then turn on your bell for notification, and drop me in the comments on below. Alright, anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, peace.